You wanna come for the yacht? You wanna come? You wanna come? Hi, baby. Kiss it, kiss it. No. Today is so warm day and you have too many clothes on. I mean, it's pretty cold here. I don't live in Europe, so I'm okay, man. My mood lately is like so shit, like so shitty mood to be honest. But also like I think because I'm under a lot of stress and pressure. Not necessarily money, more like my emotional shit. I'm okay with money. All got taken care of. Um, yeah. I went shopping today a little bit for my because on Sunday I got a yacht day and I bought this. Oh, this is so nice. You know, and then there's two girls, one black, one white girls. They come in. Oh fuck. They come in. See, it's nice. They also like looking for same shit like me, the sandals. And then the white girl, she just took a pictures of it and she didn't buy it. She's like, and then she posted on Instagram because like I saw it. I was like, that is so embarrassing because I could never do that because me as a person, let's say I do a try on clothes, right? And then I took a picture of it. But then at the end I didn't ended up buying it. I would never fucking post that shit. It's it's so fake, man. I was like, is it because she doesn't like it? Because she keeps saying, oh my god, I love it. Oh my god, I love it. How much is this? Not bad, not bad. And then like she left. I was like, you can't afford it, bitch, or what? But anyway, I of course I bought it because like I have to. And this is for Sunday. Bitch, it hurt. I can't wait what's gonna happen on Sunday. Probably there's gonna be a little drama between girls and girls, but let's see. This is very interesting. But I might do business. I'm gonna be talking to Spanish people there. I'd rather speaking with Spanish people than I don't know, man. I'm just fucking picky person. I think there's gonna be more girls. I feel like, but man, I just couldn't handle girls sometimes, especially like from Western. It's just like I don't know. I have nothing against them. I think it's just like our vibe is not matching. Their vibe is more like, oh my god, that dress, yeah, like oh my god, I know, right? Like, you wanna talk shit about someone? Like, you know what I mean? Come on, drop your shit, bitch. Stop acting nice. Come on, just show me that you're actually hate this girl too. You know what I mean? Because yeah, and I'm gonna take you, okay? So in case I don't want to talk to these fuckers, fuck you, I don't like you. You know what I mean? So I just take a nap with my dog. No. How old are you? How old do you think I am? Oh, Leon, please don't let these bitches steal you from me. They can say hi to you, but if they holding you for so long, I have a beef with these fuckers. How dare you touching my fucking dog, bitch? Don't touch what's mine, okay? Que mío es